In the salon, you'll work with many clients who prefer shorter hairstyles. Many of these clients can benefit from a well-designed perm. Since a zonal perm wrap incorporates only specific areas of the head, you'll save both time and effort. This wrap can be adapted by making changes in wrapping direction and tool diameters, as well as changing the zone to be permed. This perm design pattern will be performed on an asymmetric combination form, which incorporates uniform layers and graduation. The front interior is wrapped from a side part to blend with the fringe, which is left natural. A modified bricklay pattern is used to wrap the remainder of the interior zone. Bases at the perimeter of the interior zone are woven, and the top portion of each is left natural to encourage blending to the unperm lengths. The art shows rectangular sections on either side of a diagonal side part, established over the left eye. The back of the interior is wrapped using the bricklay pattern. 1 diameter bases are used with half-off base control within these sections. Partings along the perimeter of the interior zone, including the area in front of the rectangles, are woven. Establish a diagonal side part over the left eye, then use the length of a perm tool to measure the width of the rectangle on the heavier side. This rectangle moves toward the face and incorporates some of the longer fringe lengths. Measure the rectangle on the lighter side of the part using the same tool. This rectangle moves away from the face. The hair lengths will determine sectioning of the remaining interior zone. On the heavier side of the part a 1 diameter base parallel to the side part. Distribute and project at 90 degrees from the center of the parting. Position an end paper using the bookend technique. Wrap with the overlap technique, position the rod half-off base, and secure. Use the same technique on subsequent partings in this rectangular section. Position stabilizers or picks as needed. Use a larger diameter perm tool to wrap the last parting of the rectangle. Weave a small section off the top of the base and secure it up and out of the way. Then weave the bottom of the parting. Distribute and project the base at 90 degrees and wrap using the overlap technique. Use the same technique to wrap on the lighter side of the part. Weave the top and bottom of the last base in this section also. Note that shorter lengths on this side do not require a larger diameter tool. Position stabilizers or picks as needed. In the front of the rectangular section, weave the top and bottom of a base that is parallel to the rectangle, leaving the hairline natural. Continue using the same technique and adapting the diameter of tools to the length of the hair in the asymmetric fringe. Position stabilizers or picks as needed. Release a 1 diameter parting directly behind the diagonal side part. Project at 90 degrees. Wrap with the overlap technique and position the rod half-off base. Work toward the back, staggering bases to create a bricklay pattern to avoid splits. Continue wrapping with the same techniques. Use the same technique to wrap subsequent rows of the bricklay pattern. As lengths become shorter, determine the last base partings of the perimeter of the interior zone. Weave both the top and the bottom of each of these partings and wrap with the same technique. Check the wrap to be sure that all tools are properly secured. Position cotton around the interior zone, then saturate the hair with processing solution. Process and neutralize according to manufacturer's instructions. The zonal application is also ideal for creating textural support for smoother finishes, as seen here.